Right guys, finally part 2 of creating the ultimate bashing machine, the MP10. Part 1 we saw us put new servos in there, do the linkage set. So part 2 is basically what we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting some foil tape in just alongside the fuel tank, just to keep the fuel that much colder, stop the heat from the engine kind of warming the fuel up. A lot of people are against it, but I think it works, so it works. So we're going to be doing that. We're going to be extending the fuel tube as well, the fuel tube in, just so if we do turn the car over, we have plenty of time to get over to it without it stalling and popping it back over. I have got, where are they now? Yeah, I've got these little fuel tube clips, really handy things there. So yeah, we'll be putting foil tape on that, extending the fuel tube, wrote a load of stuff down so I'm going to make sure I get it, and taking the old engine out and just inserting the new engine then. Alright guys, so yeah, I'll better get to it. Right, now we'll go ahead and put the foil tape on the side, but first I'm going to give it a really good clean. Clean the whole, might as well clean the whole tank. Just to make sure every bit of dust, everything is off it, just so the foil tape can actually stick. So I'll go and give it a dry. I'm not sure how good this tape is. I've had it for a while. Now guys, that looks alright. That doesn't look too bad. Just a bit of foil tape on that. Try and keep that fuel as cold as possible. So we'll go ahead and put this back in now. There we are. So foil tape's on. We'll go ahead and put the engine in now. But first, I'm going to take this old monkey exhaust off. God, I remember the times I didn't have one of these, and you'd always get the bit of metal in your finger, trying to wrap it around, it would kill. You have to grind. I'll show you now. Get my light out on my phone. See where it's hitting down there, and I have to grind a bit of the bit of that out, I think. Yeah, that shouldn't be a problem. I'll do that in my own time instead of wasting you guys' time. Right, I'm gonna go grind this off and I'll be back in a second. I don't know where to start. That was absolute missions. It's probably taken me about 3 hours to get this engine in this car. A lot of grinding, bits off, grinding bits down. Look at all those bits. I had to grind them all off to get the engine in the car. It's all in. I hope it's worth it. Which I'm sure it will be. But yeah guys, that was insanely tough. But yeah, here it is. That looks pretty awesome. There's a remote start tucked in the back, so I'm going to have to find a way now just to tidy up all these cables, which I'll probably be putting them under the manifold. It's quite hard to do it with one hand. Yeah, so I'll probably tuck them right underneath there like that. Mr. Bluey. But yeah, the foil is on. Now I'm just going to put the fuel tube in on now. Using my little fuel clips, which are really handy. I still can't get over how tough it was to get that engine. That's kind of like worn me out a bit. But there we are, the show must go on, as they say. So yeah, I'll pop these fuel clips on there. There you go, guys. That looks pretty neat if you ask me. Just going around over down the bottom there. A nice little fuel clip on there then, if you can see it. Yeah, guys, excellent. So what we've done today, we've put the new engine in, which took me hours grinding all those bits down. Put a new fuel tube in. We've put the nice clips on it just to stop nothing coming off. I'm going to have to get a bigger clip for this here. So yeah, I think that's about it really. Let me check my notes. I made a whole list on my phone to see if I've missed anything. Tube close. Oh yeah. Also, what is a good thing is to put some foil tape in the shell, just to protect it when you take it on and off, and obviously from the heat from the exhaust as well, guys. So yeah, that was part 2 of the ultimate bashing machine. It was a complete nightmare getting the engine in, but yeah, God, I managed it in the end. It was insanely hard. But I am looking forward to doing one of these again, but hopefully it runs really well. Right, thanks for watching, guys, and take it out.